I'm not helping you. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Look at she looked out for me. There you go. Okay, now we're recording. So
Yeah.
don't
She
say
got
any bad
one.
words.
Yay!
She got a Caitlin. Oh yeah, look at that snake. It's freaking me out. Oh look, they're sticking out.
It's gonna be all cloudy from the condensation.
Oh no. Okay. I'll get the gist of it. Katie getting freaked out from me. Don't even try. It eventually works. I did it.
She's like, what is this?
He's hitting her in the head.
She's like, this is not my food.
That was such a funny idea. I love it.
We have to do that for porters.
I hate you. She's like, how dare you do this to me? It like touches her and she's like, look at it. Because it like tickles under her neck and stuff. That was such a funny idea. We have to put that in Porter's. Well, Porter might swallow.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is it clear yet?
Kinda. It's a little bit
Oh,
foggy.
she broke it. There you go. You got it, Katie. Oh, that's ice.
Yeah. She's all blank.
No, there is a Cape Flake.
Yeah.
There, one in there.
She's like, if I throw it, it'll go away.
Yeah, whip it. It's like the frisbee. Oh no, it's on her head. Snake.
She's like, get it up, get it up.
There's a snake right here. It's like,
There's a snake in my boot.
there's a snake in my boot. Is that a fish that's floating there? Yeah, right in the shallows.
Yeah.
She's like, it's too much. There's the ring. Look at her. I think she went back to look for that one.
I think she did. Where'd it go? Oh, there it
One's
is.
picking up right there. She got it. There you go. Yay! I think she's like ripping them because they're stuck in the ice. Is it just a Caitlin head? Yes. Just throw it at her. That's enriching too.
Oh.
No, I already saw that one. That one tricks me. Go, girl. That ring is
She's not going to eat that piece.
Oh, well, we'll just send it.
I'm sure someone will give it.
Porter, if he comes back. If Porter ships, he'll eat it.
Yeah. If Porter should. It's a big ol' if.
Look at her, yeah.
I
I don't think I've ever seen her actually go after an ice treat because Porter's always been in here.
Yeah.
She'll always go as long as Porter's not eating.
Yeah, that was cute.
She'll always do it.
Grab it by the handle. Grab it by the handle.
We put a handle in there for you. Oh, there you go.
Oh, wow, she's got it all broken up there.
I think that might be it.
Rings at the bottom.
All right.
She had to check out and make sure the
Double
rings.
portion size cheese.